Terima kasih sudah klik video ini, tapi jangan lupa guys klik tombol subscribe, karena klik tombol subscribe itu gratis dengan subscribe kamu support channel ini untuk upload video setiap hari. Ingat, subscribe itu gratis, gak ada ruginya kamu klik tombol subscribe. Selamat menonton, yahoo!
Hey folks, you asked us to repeat our experiment but with vape, and we made it. We got this vape and we have to modify it with our device. Like last time, inside the tube we put a piece of cotton that was weighed before experiment. We need to vaporize this kind of big jar, and it has yellowish color and 0% nicotine. That is, according to many people, almost harmless. Fill our reservoir and gather our setup with the same working principle. Compressor sucks air, which passes through cotton and comes out. Launch compressor and start our experiment. Vape instantly fills in bulb, starts to settle on it and condense on tube walls. Quite fast we finish with first refill, and let's check the condition of our lungs. On the walls we can notice accumulation of liquid and also a lot of small drops inside. The condition of cotton at the moment really hard to see, and let's continue. During these manipulations we notice one unpleasant thing about this vape. It tends to settle on surroundings, leaving rays which won't evaporate. But it doesn't smell that much, so it's okay. With all this hustle evaporating whole tube of liquid, we spent a day. And now let's check it out, condition of improvised lungs. We can see that cotton changed its color a little bit, probably because of dyes. But it's nothing compared with cigarettes. Get that cotton and weight. And it got extra 30 grams, which is half of a liquid from jar which left in our lungs. Unfortunately, I'm not a scientist and I don't know how safe it is to have this much of liquid inside the human body. But based on my observations, I think that given a choice between regular cigarettes and electronic, according to condition of cotton, I would still choose second one, because it seems less harmful. In the last video, many of you guys wrote that lungs clean after something gets there. Yes, sure, but they don't have time if a human leaves these deposits every hour. Even if our lungs clean that instantly, it still goes through our body and enters other organs, until completely comes out from human. Unfortunately, lungs don't have door where it can throw this trash outside. Mother Nature throughout centuries adapt lungs to breathe with only fresh air and nothing more. You're doing great if you had willpower to refuse to smoke, even electronic cigarette.